Today we'll be starting book number 1 in the Days of Spaniard series called Go Figure. And before I get to the reading and riffing on the book, Go Figure, I want to give you a little bit of an introduction to this series of books, Days of Spaniard. These are fiction-based books based off of my life story. They are short, to the point books meant to be read over the span of 30 days, 20 days. Read a little bit, discuss a little bit. Every day on this series, I will be reading the text on the right side of the book, and then the lesson is on the left side of the book. The reading and the lesson will be combined into an episode, and the idea is to discuss in a conversation the lesson on the left side. Day number 1, chapter 1. Go Figure, book number 1 in the Days of Spaniard series. A text came in from an unknown number asking if it was okay to call me. I took some time to figure out what to do. I did reply, but I had a good reason. The lesson being, use caution with unknown contacts who appear on your phone or in social media. So we're in 2023 right now. It's October 5th, 2023 as I'm recording this. And cell phones, social media, online has come a long way since I was in middle and high school. And I can vividly remember getting my first cell phone. It was a Nokia, but it was silver. It was all the rage back then. I'm sure some of the parents and the teachers can smile and laugh about the old phones that we used to have that were nowhere close to iPhones or Androids. But it's extremely important, as the lesson on the left here says, it's extremely important to use caution with unknown contacts who appear on your phone or in social media. There are a lot of good people in the world, but there are a lot of also not good people in the world. And there are so many opportunities, things that I don't even know about, things that you don't know about, where people will try to dupe you. People will try to trick you. People might try to bring harm upon you. So as you get comfortable with your cell phones, and even if you're 18 years old and you've had your phone forever, never forget this important lesson, how important it is to use caution, not just with cell phones, also with social media, interacting with people. I don't want to create like a doomsday or a bunch of terrible people in the world type message here, but it's extremely important. When my kids who are 10 and 7 right now, when they get cell phones, I'll be saying the same thing to them over and over and over. Use caution with unknown contacts who appear on your phone or in social media. And I also want to say this, and I say this during my assemblies, social media, it can be it's two sides of a coin. It can be a really awesome place that can help you tremendously in life if you use it correctly, or it can be a place where there's cyberbullying, where there's a lot of hate, where there's a lot of insults, where there's a lot of negativity. Think of social media. Think of your phone as a tool to help you move forward in life to get to where you want to be in life. I'll see you on episode number 2.